but still running below average for the season. The early call is for 20 to 25 inches of snow.
I remember it had to have been like 5 years ago because we were in our old studio. I had run out of puns. We had so much snow, and I kept being like, say it ain't snow, and I ran out, and I was like, are we really talking another snowstorm? But we haven't had a season like that in quite a while.
It's been a while, running warmer than average and not as much snow, though we had a blizzard back in January 2022, and that's really the last significant snow. A lot of people will ask, well, we're in a drought. What do autumn droughts pertain as far as what the winter will be like in terms of snow? So did some number crunching. This is one of really many parameters that we really didn't list in the story that we look at. And we did look at, the top 8 driest autumns and what happened the following winters as far as snow. Interesting, 75% of the winters had below average snow with a very dry autumn. Of course, you can't ignore the fact that the other 25% had more snow, but the majority of winters had less snow. All right, no snow in the forecast tonight, just rain, even though the Berkshires in Massachusetts, the high elevations, will see a little wet snow mixing in. Temperatures that are in the low to mid 40s right now. 45 in Providence, looking at 42 in Coventry, and 49 in New Bedford. So you see an area of moisture spinning around in upstate New York. This blue is snow. The Berkshires right in here. We'll see some wet snow as well. So you can clearly see the counterclockwise swirl. This is where the main storm center is located. But notice how rather than just kind of moving along from west to east and moving out, it's just sitting and stalled and spinning in one spot. And that's why we're going to keep precipitation now through at least early on Saturday afternoon. So here's the wider view. And there's the main storm center with moisture being drawn in off the Atlantic. So we take this into the future, and what happens is a secondary storm starts to intensify offshore. So what it does is it throws back some rain tomorrow morning. Initially last night we were thinking just scattered showers, a little more generous now during the morning up until about 12 noon. Here we are 12 noon. And then notice very late in the day towards tomorrow evening, it is pulling away. In fact, it clears out on Saturday night. And then it sets up for dry, sunny, windy, blustery weather on Sunday with some sunshine. Temperatures on Sunday 49, but that gusty wind will make it feel cooler. So periods of rain continue for tonight. Do expect increasing wind for Saturday with showers likely during the morning, kind of raw. Temperatures in the lower 40s. Rain and showers up until about early afternoon, very windy. By mid to late day, it starts to dry out. I would imagine by 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, we start to see some clearing. Doing okay for Saturday night, and then sunshine, windy, cool on Sunday. Gale warning here, no surprise on Saturday. Northwest 15 to 20 knots, gust to 30, 35 knots with choppy waves on the bay. All right, 7-day forecast shows the rain for tonight. Rain likely tomorrow morning through early afternoon. Very windy both Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, clearly the dry and brighter day. With some sunshine and temperatures upper 40s to lower 50s. Looking okay for Monday, just a passing shower on Tuesday. Interesting for Thursday, Thanksgiving, and Friday. We've got indications of a coastal storm with some cold rain. Whether or not it's Thanksgiving Thursday or Friday remains to be seen, but that's the next thing of interest that we'll be watching.
A lot of people will be traveling over the next few days.
Yes, of course, Wednesday, a big travel day. At this point, looks okay.
All right, Tony, thanks.